Best Barns Richmond 16-foot by 32-foot wood storage building review. Real builder results. Standing in a cluttered yard surrounded by equipment you cannot protect is a quietly defeating feeling. I watched a neighbor cover his riding mower with a tarp every winter, only to find rust damage in spring. That small loss stings more than people admit. Real storage matters. If you have ever felt that frustration, you already know exactly what I mean. That sinking tension grows every season. You mentally inventory what is exposed, what might rust, what could get stolen, and you feel that familiar overwhelm creeping in. A woodworker I know spent 2 years with half his tools stuffed in a leaking carport before finally deciding enough was enough. Something better, more permanent, and genuinely spacious had to exist. It does. Then everything changed when I found the Best Barns Richmond 16-foot by 32-foot wood storage building. Don't just pick any wood storage building. Make sure it has a 2-story clear span loft design so you never experience that crushing feeling of running out of usable space again. The Richmond delivers 512 square feet on the ground floor alone, with a full second floor loft above that gives you room to organize seasonal gear, tools, and equipment in a way that actually makes sense. First use experience was genuinely satisfying. A DIY builder finished the kit in roughly 100 man-hours across 3 people and said the pre-built truss halves made the roof process move faster than expected. That kind of efficiency matters when you are managing a real project. The 8-foot 1-inch first floor wall height feels like a proper building, not a garden shed. The LP Smart Side panels arrive pre-primed, meaning your exterior finish goes on cleanly from day one. Here is what sets it further apart. The Richmond can be insulated, finished inside, and used as a workshop, garage, or even a cabin. Long-term, builders consistently describe this as one of their best property decisions. One reviewer with direct construction experience described the core structure as top-notch, specifically calling out the pre-built trusses and LP Smart Side panels as legitimately impressive for a kit at this scale. An everyday user turned the second floor into a game room after initially planning pure storage, which speaks to how adaptable the layout truly is. A solo builder rated the experience 9 out of 10 and said the step-by-step instructions made the process accessible even without deep construction background. That is the honest picture. Some people hesitate because the assembly requires time, tools, and at minimum 2 people for the heavier roof sections. That concern is fair, but the reward is a structure that feels permanent, not temporary. The 2x4 walls spaced 16 inches on center and 2x6 trusses are not weekend shed specs. They are real building materials. What would 512 square feet of organized, insulated, lockable space actually change about how you use your property? Builders who have made the switch tend to say they only regret waiting so long to do it. The Best Barns Richmond 16-foot by 32-foot wood storage building is the kind of investment that changes how you live and work on your property. More builders and homeowners are choosing this kit because it delivers genuine 2-story space with real construction standards. Results may vary based on your foundation, site, and build team. If you are ready to move forward, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Click through and see exactly what this build makes possible today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.